What's up, YouTube world? This is J back with another episode of White Boy Hip Hop Head Reacts. On today's episode, I have Grand Funk Railroad and their song "We're an American Band." This song was requested by Gary Kelly. Thank you, sir, for the request. I appreciate it. And I hope you're enjoying your day. I hope everybody's enjoying their day. And with that being said, let's just get into the song here. I feel like I may know this song, but I could be wrong. But I hear a jingle of "We're an American band. We're an American band." Something like that. Alright. The last part kind of reminded me of Tech Nine's song, "It Was an Accident." It was an accident. Ooh. It was an accident. Ha ha ha. Ooh. Anyways. Alright. Let's go over these lyrics real quick. "Out on the road for 40 days. Last night in Little Rock put me in a haze. Sweet, sweet Connie doing her act. She had the whole show, and that's a natural fact. Up all night with Freddie King. I got to tell you, poker's his thing. booze and ladies, keep it right. As long as we can make it to the show tonight, we're an American band. We're coming to your town, we'll help you party it down. We're an American band. 4 young Chiquitas in Omaha, waiting for the band to return from the show. Feeling good, feeling right. It's Saturday night. The hotel detective, he was out of sight. Now these fine ladies, they had a plan. They was out to meet the boys in the band. They said, come on dudes, let's get it on. And we proceeded to tear that hotel down, because we're an American band. And then that's repeated a bunch. Alright. Then there was a nice little breakdown in there, not too long, not too short, not too long. It was pretty good. So yeah, this wasn't a terrible song. This wasn't a bad song. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give this song I'll give it a 7.5. This is enjoyable. It was an enjoyable experience. If this came on as I was grocery shopping or something, I wouldn't have a problem with it. So yeah, with that being said, I hope everybody enjoyed this reaction. Click like, subscribe if you're not, leave a comment below, send some more requests, and until next time folks, stay safe. Peace.